Welcome to the Ultimate Print Hub, where artistry meets innovation. We are proud to be your one-stop shop for all your printing needs. At our print shop, we specialize in two incredible techniques: screen printing and DTF printing. With screen printing, we bring your designs to life with vibrant, precise colors. Using high-quality screens, we meticulously transfer your artwork onto various materials, from t-shirts to promotional items. Our skilled team ensures every detail is captured, guaranteeing a stunning end result that will leave a lasting impression. But that's not all. We also offer the revolutionary DTF printing technique. DTF, or direct-to-film, allows us to print your designs with exceptional clarity and detail on garments of all textures and colors. Our state-of-the-art equipment ensures your prints are long-lasting, fade-resistant, and feel incredibly soft to the touch. Whether you're an individual looking for custom apparel or a business in need of bulk orders, our print shop can handle it all. We pride ourselves in delivering exceptional quality and unmatched customer service. We work closely with our clients to understand their vision and bring it to life with precision and creativity. But don't just take our word for it. Check out our portfolio online to see some of the incredible designs we've brought to life. From intricate artwork to vibrant logos, we have the skills and expertise to turn your ideas into reality. Thank you for joining us on this behind-the-scenes look at our print hub. We hope you're as excited as we are about the endless possibilities that screen printing and DTF techniques offer. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content and exclusive offers. Together, let's create something extraordinary.